Hi, welcome to Car Mechanical. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your MX5's rear tail light. So this is on a 99 model and I'm replacing mine because of the crack that's in there. This is also handy if you need to change the bulbs. So first thing we need to do is remove the boot liner. So this is quite quick and simple to remove. It may be held in with pop rivets and you don't necessarily need to remove it all the way, but just for showing you on camera I'm taking it out. So the light is held in at the rear by two 10mm nuts, so we're going to undo those. And they should undo fairly easily. In fact, the one on the other side isn't really torqued down at all. So that just literally came off by hand, so we're going to spin that off, take that out, and we need to disconnect the lights connector there. So just a little push part there, so push that in and we can pull the wire out of its connector. Okay, on top, just a Phillips head screwdriver to undo there. So I think I use a Phillips number 2 or 3, I think it's a number 2. We undo that. And once that's undone, we can take the light itself out. So the light will just pull out from behind. Once you pull the light out, you'll need to pull the wire and grommet out as well. So just give that a bit of a tug, you may need to compress it a little bit. So we can take the wiring all the way out there and place that to one side. Now, whilst I had this out, I decided to give this a bit of a quick clean up, so I've got an old microfiber cloth. First thing was get cobwebs, get any dust out of the way, then gave it a bit of a quick wash, and then dried it all back off before putting the new light in. A couple of paint chips in there as well, I noticed. At some point I'll go back in, I'll get some touch-up paint, some rust treatment, and just give it a very light touch-up. It's just to the very right-hand side. So we've got the new light and the old one. You can see quite a nice difference between them. Also, this is the ideal time to replace the bulbs if you need to. So we're going to put the new tail light in. So we're going to pull that through, put it into place, make sure it's nice and firm. Then we're going to put the Phillips screw back in top. So we're going to snug that up. Then we need to pull the wiring harness through. So we're just going to pull the grommet through. So that's now sealed. Then you're going to click the wiring connector back in. All that's left now is to put the nuts back on, so the two 10mm. Ever so lightly torque them up, they don't need much, just enough not to come loose. So we're going to replace the boot liner, putting the plastic pop rivets back in and replacing them. They're only cheap on eBay to get some more. And that's it for the video. If you've got any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe. But more than anything, thank you for watching.